I probably shouldn't even be recording right now because of the traffic. But I wanted to give you a little taste of Dubai during rush hour. And everyone's gonna be like, oh, this is so boring. Yeah, well, the traffic doesn't move very fast this time of day. Hey, you get to work on that clutch friction zone. Yeah, 8:45, basically rush hour, and we are all together as a crew again. Had to push out there in the traffic. Really slightly defensive, but we're good. First stop of the day, getting some gas. Gasolina. So we're going to a classic car museum in Dubai. Well, it's not really probably in Dubai. I think it's in Sharjah is the town. But we've been for a mile now going past this area that has this just beautiful, like miles and miles of green. It's really quite something. And there's like landscapers out, and there's irrigation going at some. Oh, it's the Sharjah National Park. Sorry, not Sharjah. Classic car museum. As soon as you step out of these places, every building you step out of, it's like walking into an oven. Oh, it's hot out here. All right, we are heading up into the mountains finally. It's supposed to be a whole 10 degrees Celsius cooler up there. I'm looking forward to that. I also helped everyone turn on dynamic mode on their bikes, which is super exciting. Everyone's all hyped up for some good results. And should be some nice riding this afternoon. Get out of the city again. Hayden Christensen, where are you? My spirit animal right now? Yeah, look at those skin camels. There's like 50 of them. We'll do the hump, the hump. We'll do the hump, the hump. Who's with me? Wow. Awesome. It's dropped 6 degrees Fahrenheit, by the way, since we left the car museum. I went right over there. I might break off from the group one day, go by myself and ride around off-road. Well, no offense to these guys, I just want to ride on some dirt.
So this is us heading north toward the mountain climb. As you can see, we have just beautiful sights all around. The convoy is strong. There's like 6 bikes and I think 6 cars. So awesome.
Doing about, 130 in the straightaways, which is, like 10 miles over the speed limit.
So now it's time to start climbing. And again, Shift Assist Pro, and just way too much confidence means I get to do these shots for you all. It's like having a camera operator sitting next to me, but it's with the 360 camera and the selfie stick that they sell you. But I make it work. I could ride like this all day. I've had people ask me how I come to a stop, and when I do that, I just use my left hand and I use my my pinky finger and grab the clutch lever, and so it doesn't stall. But I'll downshift down to first, and then it won't stall. So, but you get some epic moving shots, so it's totally worth it. Where are all the bikers? Well, I stopped to change my GoPro battery, and you'll see that footage here in a second. But this is a massively long, like 5 to 7 mile hill climb up to the top of this mountain that has like luge and bobsledding or rail luge, hiking restaurants up there. There's a zip line, just kind of fun stuff. But honestly, the road there is the fun part.
Over there. Run.
Say hi to your mother for me.
Click from me. It says sometimes to me, I'm one.
Wow. Look at this view. That's amazing.
Woo!
And this little toboggan rail car, it's not a roller coaster, but it was a lot of fun. This is the 2X. And yeah, I mean, you're sliding down this thing, going down the mountainside. I wouldn't say it was scary, but it was just a lot of fun. Look at the view, though. This is awesome. Yeah, this lasts for like a minute. You can fast forward if you want to. But I think it was like $15 to do this. Not terrible. And I only started slowing down more aggressively because I was catching the people in front of me. It was a woman and her child, and they were really on the brakes. And so I kept inching closer to them. I didn't want to, you're not supposed to rear end people on this thing. So, and props to the GoPro camera for like capturing all the colors. It was great. All right, so now we're going to ride down the mountain on the motorcycle, and I hope you'll enjoy the clips that we're going to present here.
Over. Yes, possible. Me. A little bit. Let's see where our boy is. We're not an enduro, but we are on the TKC Adventures. Is he coming? I had to get some dirt time in. Yeah, I'm gonna get a photo down here and then I'm done. Really great day today. That mountain climb was the best part of the trip so far, but it's only day 2. And I'm gonna upload a raw, uncompressed, unedited version of that climb, and so you can enjoy it at slightly slower speed than what I felt like I was climbing it at. We're 8.5 miles from our exit. This is the traffic leaving the city. Just imagine doing this every day. Into work, out to work. We've been leaving the city in the morning and come back at night, and so it's been really accessible. But imagine doing this daily. Really something. I mean, it's just miles and miles of traffic. I think we're gonna end it here tonight. This is the end. It's 5:15. Like 5 miles away from the city now. And there's all the big buildings that nearby. The Burj Khalifa, though, is like, it's really amazing. It's something to behold. It really is like startling how large it is. It is like commanding. It really sets the skyline apart, and you know, it's the largest building in the world, and it's pretty amazing to see it like that from miles away, and it just gets bigger and bigger and bigger. Wow. Look at that skyline. And it's still being built. Really something.